In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an image search on DuckDuckGo. If you're looking for photos, visual references, creative inspiration, or images for a project, DuckDuckGo offers a simple and privacy-focused way to find them. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to browse image results quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can confidently perform image searches using DuckDuckGo. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to DuckDuckGo. You can do this by typing the website address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window and loading the page. Once the home page appears, you'll notice the clean and uncluttered search interface that DuckDuckGo is known for. At the center of the page, you'll find the search field. Click or tap inside the search box and enter the words that describe the images you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for rose photography, you can type a phrase related to that topic. The more specific your search terms are, the more relevant your results are likely to be. When choosing keywords, try to include details that describe exactly what you want. Adding information such as colors, locations, styles, or subjects can help narrow the results and make it easier to find suitable images. More focused search terms often lead to more accurate and useful results. After entering your search query, press Enter on your keyboard. If you're using a mobile device, tap the Search or Go button on the on-screen keyboard. DuckDuckGo will then display a standard search results page containing links and information related to your search term. To view image results specifically, locate the Images tab near the top of the results page. Depending on your screen size or device, this option may appear directly on the page or within an additional menu. If necessary, open the menu and select Images to switch from standard search results to image results. Once you're in Image View, you'll see a collection of image thumbnails arranged in a grid. This layout allows you to quickly scan multiple results at once and compare different images without opening each one individually. If the images aren't exactly what you expected, return to the search bar and adjust your keywords. Even small changes to your search phrase can significantly improve the results. As you refine your search terms, the image grid will update to reflect the new query. Continue experimenting with different descriptions until you find the visuals that best match your needs. On smaller devices, simply scroll down to load additional images and explore more results. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can perform image searches on DuckDuckGo and quickly find the visuals you're looking for while enjoying a clean and privacy-conscious search experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.